Good morning, friends. Yes. Assalamu alaikum and Shubho Shokal. I think I pronounced correctly. Yes. Acha.
Yes, it's correct.
Yes. Thank you, friends. So, welcome you all this morning meditation. So, our day start with meditation. So, every day we are gathering here for our life change, for our transformation. So, we are training our mind every day to be here in this present moment. We have so much work, so many things to do, so many things to think. But this time you dedicated to empty your mind, to dedicated, you spend time with you. So you may be spending a lot of time with others, with your work, your housework or business, office, or anything. But this valuable time you're spending with you, who never did before, spending time with us. But we spend so much time for us, others. So every day we are helping ourselves by sitting here with our breath. All we need to understand is everything is within. Everything is within. Nothing is outside. Everything is within. Everything is come from inside. We are looking outside. Where is the God? Where is the God? In temple, in church, in masjid, in many places. But God is inside. He's inside, but we can't see him. We covered up with many layers. The God is a pure light, pure energy, a pure love. We can't see, but it is there inside. So when it is there inside, how can we see? You can see by removing the layers. See, there is a sunlight, the bright sunlight. The sun is always there. But during the rainy time, the clouds covers, the dark clouds. That time you don't receive the sunlight. You see darkness. But there is a sun. The light is always there. But when the clouds start moving, you can see the light coming. You can feel the sun rays. Similarly, the pure light, the God, the power is inside you. The only thing stopping you is your mind. And you covered up with many layers. Those layers are covered up with your negative thoughts, with your negative thinking. Your greediness, your selfishness, your anger, your frustration. You can list out what are the negative qualities. Those are all stopping you to connect with your God that is there inside. We're all are children of the gods. The God created us. He's our father. Like when you give the birth to baby, you are the mother and father. Similarly, the soul created by the God. Of course, the same energy will be there. Like the baby having the same genes from the mother and father. The same genes. So similarly we have, but we forget. We attach it with many things. We worry so much for unwanted things. We want peace. We want happiness, but we worry so much. And all the energy you goes, you put it on the worries. Then how can we live happy? So friends, by practicing meditation, we are removing the layers. We are taking out all the negative energy. Naturally, those who are putting efforts, those who are serious and dedicated for their life transformation, their 100% result is there. You should be dedicate for your life transformation. Yes, I'm ready to change. I want to change in my life. I want to be grow. I want to be healthy, happy. I want to change my thought pattern. You have to accept if you have negativity in you. Yes, I have negative thoughts. I want to change. If you have done something wrong, yes, I have done wrong. I've done mistakes. Yes, I'm going to change myself. So you need to mold yourself. Nobody help you. No guru. If you go and talk with many masters, nobody cannot help you. You need to change yourself. We are praying many gods. Why God not helping us? Because this is your job. You need to change. You have created your life. God gives opportunities how to change your life. Why we are all having the problems, challenges? Why God is sitting silent? Why He not solve our problems? Because you created. Those are the lessons for you to learn. So we need to change our life. And the God is always with us to help if you start doing efforts. If you start putting efforts to change. So it's in our hands, friends. So with our breath energy, every day, we receive more and more energy. So with that energy, we will gain the strength. We will gain the happiness. And we feel that everything can be done. Self-confidence. What is the self? Your soul. If you have a soul energy, your confidence level is higher. If you don't have an energy, no confidence, you're already fearful for everything. Your fear attracts everything. So friends, always believe in you. Trust yourself. Don't give importance of others' opinions. Trust yourself. And whenever you are facing some problem, just sit in and observe your breath. All the solutions comes to you. It is there already. Okay. So let us do breathing exercises and then we sit in meditation. Okay, friends. I can see only few people on the camera. If everybody on, I can able to guide if you are doing wrong. Okay. Okay, friends. Today we do this long breathing, short breathing, and medium breathing. Sorry, fast breathing. Okay. Longer breathing, medium breathing, and fast breathing. Okay, friends. When you breathing, observe your breathing. So what happens while you're breathing? If any blocks inside you, that clears. So when that clears, you can feel the breathing properly. Okay. So take a deep breath, my dear friends. So you can keep your hands for this process like this. Okay. Touch your thumb and index finger. And so we are not going to do now today, this right and left nozzle breathing. Okay, just taking a deep breathing and doing it 10 times, and next medium breathing, and next fast breathing. Okay, those who are doing perfectly, I'm telling you, you can gain 100% result. Also, you can feel immediate results. Okay, if you're just sitting and not doing anything, then that is a waste of your time. Okay, friends, take a deep breath, close your eyes, deep breath. Inhale and exhale with your nozzles. You take deep breathing with nozzles and inhalation and exhalation. Okay, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Feel the breathing while you are breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, now we are going to do a medium breathing. Please do not open your eyes. Okay, just feel the breathing while you are breathing. So be here. So bring all your senses to with here, connect with your body, connect with your breath. Okay, in this way, we need to train our body and mind. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out with two nozzles. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now fast breathing. Please do not open your eyes. You have to put efforts on this breathing, friends. Okay, so you can loosen your body. Okay, don't tighten your body, loosen your body. It's like pumping yourself, taking out and taking in and taking out. Okay, you take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out. Fast breathing, friends. Breathe in with two nozzles and breathe out two nozzles. Okay, loosen your body. You can use your hands like pushing yourself. Okay, okay. Your two nostrils. Fast breathing. Loosen your body. Okay. Faster, faster. So don't worry about whatever anything comes from your nose. Okay. Please do it. Do it. Fast breathing. Faster, 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 faster. Nothing cannot happen. Okay. Just do it. Do it. Faster, faster, faster. Yes, yes. You're doing good. Yes. Faster, faster. Yes, yes. Okay. Relax. Relax. Don't open your eyes. Relax. Relax. Please do not open your eyes. Just relax and feel the vibrations from your body. Just relax. Now we are going to do meditation, friends. Sit in meditation posture. Cross your both hands, fingers. If you want, stretch your legs and sit back again normal. If you want to drink water, you can drink water. So those who are sitting on the chair, sit properly. Don't lie down. Take a rest only for your back, not for head. Okay. So we're all together. And remove your glasses. If you are wearing any glasses, please remove. And don't open your eyes during meditation. Whatever comes, any emotions, any pain, let it go. Let it go. Don't suppress anything. Meditation is a solution for everything, for anything. The solution is within us. Cross your both hands, fingers. Cross your legs. And close your eyes. There is no hurry now. There is nothing to do now. Just relaxing. Complete relaxation. And deep relaxation. Every cell in your body, every corner of your body is going into complete relaxation. Just observe your natural breathing. Incoming and outgoing breath. If your breath is deeper and longer, let it be deeper and longer. If your breath is shorter and shallow, let it be shorter and shallow. Don't put any efforts on your breathing. It's natural breathing. Normal breathing. Incoming and outgoing breath. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment. And stay here with your breath. Don't go behind your thoughts. Your thoughts are like passing clouds in the sky. Just ignore your thoughts and observe your natural breathing. Your breath is your master. Your breath is your God. Just stay with your breath. When you close your eyes, you see the darkness. Allow yourself to see the darkness and observe your breath. Train your mind to be here in this present moment. There is no past here. There is no future here. Here is only present moment. Present moment with your breath. By being here in this present moment, you can recreate your life. Just by emptying the mind with your breath. Stay with your breath, my dear friends. Whenever thoughts comes, cut your thoughts and come back to the breath. Be with your breath, my dear friends. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment. Stay here with your breath. When you are with your breath, your mind becomes empty. Once your mind becomes empty, you receive abundant amount of cosmic energy. That energy cleanses your body, cleanses your mind, just stay with your breath. Nothing else to do, nothing else to think. Last 5 minutes. Please do not open your eyes. Just be with your breath. Always train your mind to be here in this present moment. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. Just stay with your breath. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Please keep both hands, fingers on your eyes. 5 seconds. And gently open your eyes. Okay, welcome back, friends. Today we have done 30 minutes of meditation. I hope every day we are progressing, that you need to tell how you feel the day one and today. So today is Thursday. We started on Monday. Is there something different? 1%, 2%? So anything difference? Yes. So if you have any questions, or you can raise your hands if you want to share anything. And after meditation, before meditation, drink more water. So water uh, cleanses. So during the meditation, cleanses happening. Okay. So and sometimes heat comes from body. If you drink more water, it is helpful for you. Yes, Manisha ji. Okay. Yes, please. Please unmute, ma'am.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, namaste.
I'm from Bangladesh. I would like to share something with you guys that whenever I wake up in the morning, always I had to take sleep. I mean, always, because I feel, after 2 hours, I feel so sleepy. I feel that very much tired after working 2 hours. After studying, because of study purpose, I used to wake up in the morning. But these 3 days I wake up and after meditation I don't feel much tiredness, and this is the progress, I think.
Yes,
and
definitely. There is a progress always.
and sir, I would like to know, how did you come to know about meditation, how it changed your life?
Okay. See, when I was in the college days, plus two, intermediate, when I was pursuing, somebody came to my school and my college and they shared about meditation. So how to practice. So how this helpful for your education. Then I was start doing meditation 5 minutes. So in my college, every day there will be meditation. There was a meditation. Okay. Every day, 10 minutes, 15 minutes before starting the session, the class. So from there I learned meditation. So then I I want to go into deep. I want to go and see the depth of the meditation. Everybody is saying everything possible through meditation. Everything. So then I want to see how this meditation helpful in many ways. I had so many questions in my childhood. What is the life? What is the uh, problems and rich and poor? Why God created like this? So many questions. What are those stars? What are the planets? Only life form here. Why everybody having a challenges? Why somebody born with a physically challenged? So these kind of questions make me to go into deeper meditative state, and I just practice it more and more. And then I'm meeting many meditation practitioners and masters to learn from them. So that's how my journey started and still continuing. There is no end for that.
So how many years are you practicing meditation?
Since 12 years. Since 12 years.
Oh my god.
Mm,
Okay,
yes.
thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Yes. So when you start doing meditation, miracles happens in your life. That is guarantee, friends. Yes. Friends, if you raise your hands only here, I can see. Okay. You can have an option in Zoom. Okay, you can show your, okay. Angelica ji, please unmute.
Good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Sir, I am requesting you to provide your introduction speech to the class.
I can't hear you, ma'am.
Sir, today you give the introduction speech
Yeah,
starting in class.
yeah.
So anyhow, I was feeling sleepy, so I can't concentrate. So is it possible to provide on WhatsApp this portion only? Just only your speech.
Okay, you will find the recordings in YouTube. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, Mona ji, please unmute.
Hello.
Hi.
I am practicing meditation with you. This is my second day. Day before yesterday, I attended your class, and that time I do the meditation part in a sleeping position. And today I started with sitting on the floor, and then I found it, as I am heavier person, so it would be easy for me to sit on a sofa and do the meditation. So I came here and did my meditation like in this way, crossing my hands and
Cross
my
your leg. Yes, you can
yes,
sit on
crossing.
the sofa, you can sit on the chair. Okay, no problem.
But after some times, I feel tired, and then I couldn't keep my back straight.
No,
Or
I said already, no need to keep your backbone straight. No need. No
not
need to-
straight in a way. I mean that I will be in sitting position, but in relaxing sitting position.
That's
Then
okay.
then I did in this way. I touched my back with the sofa support.
That's okay. That's why you can take a support. See, I'm sitting
And
on the chair, I take the support. Okay.
difference between first day meditation in a sleeping position and today's position. When I did that meditation in sleeping position, I feel I might concentrate more. And in sitting position, first time, I don't know what happened. I feel that I can see everything through closed eyes, starting of the meditation. And after that, my man become chanchal, and I was thinking when it will be finished.
Yes. No, no, no. Initial days, it will be like that only. Okay. Initial days, it will be like that. So when you choose the sleeping posture, your body is ready to go to the sleep. You will be drop into sleep because the posture we train for sleeping. So naturally go into the sleep. So when you go into the sleep, there will not be any thoughts, right? So that's why I always suggest you to sit while meditating. Sit unless you are a sick or diseased person, you can't able to sit. If you have any problem, then you go and lie down and meditate. Okay. So initial days it will be there. It's very hard, I know, because I also when I remember when I starting this how it was. Okay. So it will be there. We try to open eyes. Okay. Very uncomfortable, tiredness, so dizziness. So these are all there. So no need to worry. Only practice. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. You are joined here today again. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, friends. Sadia ji, please unmute.
Thank you, sir. Sir, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
So when I start meditation, I feel many thoughts,
Yes.
and I could not control my mind. How can possible to control my mind, sir?
See, when just we are all starting to, few days, just we started. How many years you are thinking? How many years? 30
Uh,
years, 40
sir,
years? You're still thinking, right? Did you
sir,
did you ever find a time to stop your mind? No. We are thinking since to 30 years, 40 years, or 20 years. Just we started 3 days. And so many thoughts comes. So many thoughts comes. Let it go. Let it go. Don't worry. Don't frustrate or don't irritate. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. So no need to worry. It will be settled down one day. So just be patient. I'm telling you, everyone, be patient. If we don't have patience in any task, we cannot succeed. Be patient. So it will be settled down. So let it go. Don't get, if then thoughts coming, don't get irritated. Don't get angry. Okay, okay, let it go. Let it
सर
go.
सर
Yes.
मैं जरा चंचल टाइप का हूँ, मेरा माइंड स्थिर नहीं रहता।
Hmm.
तो अगर मैं मेडिटेशन करूंगी तो मेरा माइंड माने मैं बता नहीं सकती स्थिर होगा या नहीं।
Yes. It takes time, madam. Just do it. That's all.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you. Okay. Some message, sir, I have lower back pain, so it's tough to be in a sitting position for a long time. But according to my sleep cycle, if I meditate lying down, the chance is very high to fall asleep. So what can I do? So there is only two options. The one is sitting, another one is lying down. So you said that you have a problem with the back pain. So back pain, the sitting posture, you can keep some cushion or pillows to support your back. If you can't do that, then lie down. So only two options. So you have to choose whichever you want. Okay. Yes, Lisa ji. Yes.
Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
hello.
Yes.
Yes. If I sitting at sofa, what will be my leg position?
I already showed the picture. Just a minute, I will share it. I already showed. Just a minute. Should keep your legs on one on another. So this is the posture. If you are sitting on the sofa or chair or anywhere,
Okay.
okay, keep one leg on
Okay.
another and cross your fingers. Take support, chair support. No, nothing wrong. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, friends. You can also, if you have any questions, you can also text me in WhatsApp. Okay. Whenever I have find time, I will reply your questions. And please be continue. Okay. Just be present. First of all, close. See, for initial days, we need to learn to sit. First of all, learn to sit. Learn to sit 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Learn to sit because our body is not ready to sit. No, imagine that. Did you ever before can able to sit 20 or 30 minutes without talking or speaking? No. Now we are trying. We're trying to sit. Okay, let's sit. Let's see whatever thoughts comes. We're trying to observe breath. Okay, thoughts come. Okay. We're trying to ignore. Okay, then again come. Okay, ignore. Again come. Let's see for some time what's happening. Okay, everything is slow, slow, and gradually. So if you don't have patience, oh, this meditation not works. Okay. You will quit. Again, you go other. Wherever you go, the same. You need to have a practice and you have to put your efforts and be patient for results. You plant the seed. You plant the seed, you get immediately the next day? No, you have to pour water and it slowly grows. Then after some years, you will get the fruits, the sweet fruits. Then you enjoy. So the nature is same for everyone, slow and steady. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you. Yes, your son also can meditate. So from the age of 5 years, everybody can meditate. Yes. Thank you, friends. Thank you.